Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Political Science Tutorials. This is a new series of videos about important concepts of political science covering the syllabus of political science in general. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the notification of next videos. In this video, I am going to discuss about three important concepts. Those are soft state, garrison state and minimal state. If you already have seen previous year's question papers of NET, SET or MPhil PhD entrance tests etc., you know that questions may come from any topic and in any form. But if your concept is clear, then you will be able to answer the questions confidently. Let us start with the first concept, soft state. The term soft state was used by Swedish economist Gunnar Myrdal. He compared the state systems of South Asian countries with European countries. He wrote the book named Asian Drama, an inquiry into the poverty of nations, which was published in the year 1968. Here remember the name of the book and author, both are important. In this book, he introduced the term soft state. Soft state means the state which is not strict about social deviance, or when violation of social norms happen, including crime, it need to take hard decisions by state. But this time these states or soft states do not take hard decisions. As a result, the rate of crime, violence, corruptions increases in a society. Gunnar Myrdal categorizes India under the soft state. In his view, effective states follow the rule of law, or in the eyes of law, everyone is equal, but the soft state does not follow the rule of law. In Myrdal's view, India is burdened with social indiscipline, corruption and weak law enforcement. The second state is garrison state. The term garrison state was introduced by American political scientist Harold Laswell in American Journal of Sociology in the year 1941. He visualized garrison state as a specialist of violence. Here, economic and social life systematically subordinated to the military forces. This type of state values military in higher level of social prestige. For example, Japanese and fascist state like Germany and Italy are this type of state. Now another type of state is minimal state. This type of states refers to the state with the least amount of powers. That amount of power which only prevents the state to become an anarchical state, or the situation where chaos and the breakdown of civil order become the prominent feature. Robert Nozick in his book Anarchy, State and Utopia, which was published in the year 1974, argues in favor of minimal state. According to him, the minimal state limited to the narrow functions of protection against force, theft, fraud, enforcement of contract and so on. His theory of minimal state was in opposition to a theory of justice by John Rawls, published in the year 1971. Rawls was in favor of taxation by state to fulfill the aim of social justice, especially for the weaker section of the society. Nozick was against Rawls's theory of justice and argues that forcible taxation is immoral. Hope these videos will be helpful for your quick revision in short time. If you like this video, hit the like button, write your feedback in comment box. Thank you for watching.